So here we have a concave refracting surface. Let me write the diagram. So we have a concave refracting surface and a object is placed at a distance 0.3 meters. This is the object distance. Now the refractive index of this lens of this refracting surface is 1.5, and this is nothing but minus 30 centimeters. Okay, so this is the object here. Now let's say that V is the image distance, and using N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. I substitute all the values in this equation. That gives us 1.5 by V minus 1 by 30, sorry, plus 1 by 30 is equal to 1.5 minus 1 by minus 12. So after solving this, we get the image distance V as minus 0.2 meters, or V is minus 20 centimeters.